So I just installed this crucial M.2 Drive, and I have installed some Kingston Fury RAM. Okay, so after installing the M.2 Drive, it doesn't appear in this PC next to the C drive, so we have to search for disk manager, and that'll bring up the disk manager, and then in here, as it says, you must initialize a disk before you can access it. So we right click on the disk, new simple volume, next. You can assign a letter to it if you want. I'm just going to leave it as D. And then for the volume label, I usually name it to whatever the drive is. The brand, the manufacturer name. Click finish. And then we can access it. And now we see it here.